na ako, boys. Kanina, nag-video ka. Todo arte ako. Wala naman din ako na-save. But then, here I come. We're here now in Boracay Beach Resort. Come on, you show the Boracay Beach.
So, 1 minute lang pala to.
Kaya pala eh, ikaw lang nakuha eh.
Hindi naman. 1 minute. Hindi eh. 1 hour and 30 seconds. Napindot siguro kanina.
So, the weather here now is a little bit cloudy. It's more better. It's, the sun come out. We're unlucky.
Yan si Isabel.
So, it's me, yours truly, Paula Cruz Noble, screen name, Charito Madrigal. Come on, how about you, boy?
Oh, pinalitag pa. Hello, hi.
It's your turn.
Masarap maligo. Grabe. Huwag naman masyadong ako expose yung aking.
She call herself Marisa Delgado. Buhay pa ba yun?
Buhay pa naman, kaya lang, taba na siya ngayon.
Alright, see? Look at the Boracay, it's very nice. You should come here. It's like a paradise. Come here with your partner. Alright. Wala kang kupas. Oh. Diin.
Ano magawa itong dalawa na to? Yan lang po.